In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest strategy that will get you to $10,000 of profit per month with print on demand. By following the 9 steps that I'm going to lay out for you, you will be on the path to making $10,000 of profit faster than anyone else. Now, this video is the closest thing to a print on demand cheat sheet because I'm laying everything out for you. And all that you have to do is follow each step and put in the work. Absolutely nothing is gatekept. Hi guys, my name is Meg Heckman, and I've spent the last 4 years creating the most optimized blueprint to get you to $10,000 in profit per month from actually doing the work myself. My husband, Chris Heckman, and I have been able to recreate these results with 8 different print-on-demand stores, getting each of them over $1 million in sales during the first year of running them. Don't believe me? Here are the last 11 months of my current brand that I started about a year ago. The first step that you want to take to making $10,000 a month in print on demand would be watching my free 21-hour course. No, this is not some kind of sales pitch to get you to buy a course or anything like that. This course is absolutely free, and there's actually 2 places where you can view this. The first place is right here on YouTube. I have linked in the description below to that video where you can go through and watch the full 21 hours right in a row, or you can go to our school community. The school community is also linked in the description below, where we have chunked up this course into 10 different modules that you can go step by step through the process. So that's the first step. Now, that step is the most important because we go through every single thing that you absolutely need in order for you to start a print-on-demand store. We go through setting up your LLC, to getting your mindset right, to talking about printing, printers, designs, niches, market research, setting up your Facebook ad account, literally everything. So if you are able to go through that 21-hour course step by step, I guarantee you will be on track to be making $10K per month with print on demand faster than anybody else who's watching these kinds of videos on YouTube. Now, the next step that you're going to want to do is pick a niche. So after you've watched that full 21-hour course, you're going to sit down and you're going to start thinking of things that you would actually want to sell and people you would want to sell to. Now, when I talk about picking a niche, I like to pick niches that I know something about. These niches can be anything from sports to maybe something having to do with your career, like maybe you're a teacher and you want to make teacher t-shirts, or you're interested in music, or you're interested in flowers. There are so many different niches out there, but you're going to want to sit down, think of things that you're actually passionate about and things that you know about so that you can build a brand around that niche. Step 3, once you have picked your niche, you have done your market research and you're looking into different designs, the next thing that you're going to want to do is sit down and create 100 designs. I'm sure I sound crazy saying create 100 designs. Now, I sell t-shirts, so every time I start a new store, I have at least 100 different t-shirt designs that are all across my niche. So I like to pick a niche that's slightly broad, that has many like sub niches within it, and then I like to pick a few designs from all of those sub niches. That way I'm kind of hitting everybody within that niche. So that's step 3, create those 100 designs. Now, creating those 100 designs can look different for anybody. It can be doing those designs yourself with the help of Canva. It could also use Photoshop or any kind of editor if you're really skilled that way. You can also hire designers online. So you can hire designers through Fiverr or through Upwork. And honestly, it's not that expensive. You can kind of work deals with these designers. You basically just send them your inspiration and they will make these designs for you. Or you can go the last option, which is also a great option, and that's using AI to help create these designs. I kind of do a mix of all 3, honestly. I will definitely use AI. I've been using Mystic Print on Demand, which is linked in the description below, to kind of get my design, like my image for my picture. I'll then take that design that I created in Mystic Print on Demand. I will move it into Canva where I can edit it, change some colors around, add some text, and then from there I will upload it into Printify. So once you've gone through that process of creating those 100 designs, the next step that you would do is step number 4, and that would be upload your 100 designs to your print provider. Now, the print provider that I would choose would be Printify. I've used them for over 4 years now. They offer the best pricing over anybody else in the market. You are not going to find better pricing on any print-on-demand products. They're definitely the most cost-effective option, so I highly recommend uploading those 100 designs to Printify. Once you have uploaded all 100 designs to Printify, you can then create your Shopify store. Now, why do I say Shopify? I say Shopify because Shopify gives you so much more freedom over Etsy. There have been so many horror stories about Etsy recently of people opening up stores, putting up 2 products, and with no explanation, Etsy just shuts down your shop. It makes it really hard to be making $10,000 per month when you have no store to run. Shopify does not shut down anybody's stores. So I personally like to use Shopify because I can then also tailor my brand and build my store around the niche that I picked and kind of give it its own voice and give it its own personality. So step 5 is going to be creating your Shopify store. Now don't fret, I know Shopify, there's a lot more to it than Etsy, but we go through step by step, everything, down to the font size, down to there's like 100-point checklist of how to set up your Shopify store correctly, and we've made it as easy as it possibly can be. Honestly, it would probably take you a day, maybe 2 days to completely get your Shopify store set up, depending on how ready you are to start this process. After you've set up Shopify, the next thing that we're going to do is set up our Facebook ads. Yes, Facebook ads. Nobody's going to make it to our Shopify store if we actually aren't driving traffic to it. So we will take you step by step, showing you exactly how to set up your Facebook ad account, how to run Facebook ads. We'll give you the exact ad copy, everything. We lay it all out for you in this 21-hour course. So that's step 6, run those Facebook ads. Now, after you've run those Facebook ads, what comes next? That leads us to step 7. We are going to look at the analytics. So we're going to look and see, what is Facebook telling us? Facebook's going to tell us what people like, the designs that they're clicking. It's really going to narrow down how we should be making and creating new designs. After we've looked at the analytics and we have a better idea of what people are actually enjoying and what they like in our niche, that's going to lead us to step 8, which is the rinse and repeat process. What do I mean by rinse and repeat? I mean rinse and repeat steps 3, 6, and 7. That means go back to the drawing board. You're going to create new designs. I don't mean make another 100. I mean, by looking at those analytics that Facebook gave you, what are people looking for? Do they like humorous shirts? Are they looking for something that has a lot of detail, minimal detail, only text, no text, just images? That's what we're looking for. We're going to look at those analytics that Facebook is telling us. We're then going to go back to the drawing board and try to make more designs, again, that are broad across our niche to everybody in the niche. And then we're going to go back to Facebook ads, put them into ads, and then see the analytics again and again and again. And by doing this, we're going to be building out a strong collection. Typically, step 8 is where people give up. They will get to the point, they'll look at the analytics, they won't understand it, and they'll just go, well, it's not working. Facebook ads didn't work for me. They put their hands up and they walk away from it. And they just go, print on demand's dead. It doesn't work anymore. It's a lie. Print on demand is absolutely not dead. And I've done this, again, 8 different times with 8 completely different niches. This blueprint works. So once you get to step 8, this is honestly the most important step, that rinse and repeat, making new designs, getting them into Facebook ads, and looking at the analytics. And honestly, you just keep doing this, and you're building out a strong collection. And that's where that true traction comes from. And that's where those ads just start to take off. And once they take off, all you have to do is just keep rinse and repeating the process. which again then leads us to step 9, which is honestly watch the sales come pouring in. Once you start designing and you start understanding what customers and people in that niche are looking for, your ads are going to completely take off and you are just going to be flooded with sales. So you're just going to sit back, relax, and you're going to watch those sales come pouring in. And as they do, of course, enjoy the moment, but get back to step 8 and start rinsing and repeating time and time again, and keep building out that collection so that your store turns into a true brand, and that easily does $1 million in sales per year. So if you're looking to be making $10K per month running a print-on-demand store, this is the blueprint, the fastest strategy that's going to get you to $10,000 per month in pure profit. So if you're ready to get started in this, click the links in the description below to either watch the course on YouTube or join our free school community. Again, guys, this is absolutely free. I'm not trying to upsell you on anything. I'm just trying to get accurate, real information out there to as many people as I possibly can to help you guys start changing your lives. So if you're interested in that, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that I can get this kind of information out there to others who are ready to get started in print on demand. Thanks for watching.